she told me that I might be pre-diabetic. That made me seek, resources. One of them was meal prep Sundays. Before I started meal prep Sundays, I was at 225 pounds, and then I cut down to 162. The biggest time span that I lost weight in, probably around like 40 pounds between those 3 months. I just felt like cleaner from the inside. Like I just felt lighter, more energized. Before meal prep Sundays, I was eating In-N-Out, hamburgers, pizza, anything high in carbs and high in fats. I didn't understand the concept of like what protein, how important protein was. And after, using meal prep Sundays for a consistent amount of time, I felt more energized, more aware, a lot more present. My new normal to what I thought was feeling good is way different than it was before. I would wake up in the mornings to go to work, and I just feel like what I thought was fine, having like heartburn. I just felt bad. Like sadly, people do treat you differently and based on how you look. And when I was heavier, I was treated a lot more like dismissive, like people were just like that. It has been a big shift in the way people treat me and the way I treated myself. Now I feel like I look at the person in the mirror and I respect, like, your first meal, I know they give you like 60% off. So like, it's a no-brainer. Like, try it out. I'd rather pay for healthy meals, lose weight, learn how to eat healthy, live healthy, than be in a hospital bed in the future.